Hey Richard, this is Troy from Frank Boucher Volkswagen in Janesville. We're checking out your beautiful 2018 Volkswagen Atlas SE with technology. This is the V6 with 4Motion all-wheel drive. This will comfortably seat 7 people. I'm 6 foot tall and this will easily accommodate me in the third row. This has the 5,000 pound towing package from the factory, alloy rims, keyless entry on all 4 doors, including the hatch. This will have blind spot monitoring, adaptive cruise control, LED lights. This thing is an absolute incredible drive. Heated front seats, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible system. This also comes with a 6-year, 72,000 mile bumper to bumper warranty. This thing is incredible. If you have any more questions, please ask for me. My name is Troy, or otherwise Casey will be glad to help you as well. 608-757-6150. Thanks, Richard.